the game that you get on? Is it card or read? What kind of class do you play, Cora? In an RPG? Cause I know what them elf girls need. From WoW to ME, I'm going 30 hours online straight now. You make it hard to leave. Bring to Middle Earth, do you speak my language? Your elf ears don't need explaining. All I really need for you to do is just please talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Talk nerdy to me. Get nerdy with me. You name on sweat.
Open up the champagne, pop. Hello.
Let me wake up, penthouse, shake up, feel it. You have to be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you'll still be a star. Maybe just in He's got the body.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. My lover's got humor. She's the giggle out of humor.